Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and aligning the earring so insertion is smooth. Start now. Clean both ear and earring with an alcohol wipe and dry. Hold the threaded tail between thumb and index finger so you control rotation. Gently lift your lobe with the other hand to expose the piercing hole. This straightens the channel and reduces catching. Keep the earring perpendicular to the lobe. A slight tilt helps if your piercing channel angles. Once aligned, you're ready to start the threading motion. You now thread the earring through with a steady, controlled motion. Begin inserting the tip into the hole and rotate the earring gently as you advance. The threading action uses the screw-like bead to pull through without pulling the lobe. Move in small increments, about ½ centimeter, so tissue adjusts and you avoid tearing. If you feel resistance, stop and rotate back slightly, then resume more slowly. This reduces pain and prevents bending. Make sure the earring moves smoothly before committing more depth. Finish by seating and securing the threaded earring so it sits comfortably. Once the decorative front rests flush against your lobe, continue pulling until the tail clears the back and the earring locks into its intended position. Check alignment, rotate slightly to confirm it's not twisted and assess comfort. Adjust if needed. If any excess tail remains, clip or tuck per design. Troubleshooting. If the earring gets stuck, back it out gently, clean both surfaces. Apply a bit of sterile lubricant, and reattempt slowly to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.